We are on the 3600 block of Georgia Avenue Northwest, where we just finished the installation of temporary sidewalk widening for circulation for pedestrians in response to COVID-19. This is our 7th installation. We are working in all 8 wards, trying to provide more space for people to walk, bike, scoot in order to access essential services throughout the district. We're at about half a mile of total installation so far. Not trying to measure mileage so much as really just concentrate locations where we think we're going to see the most benefit. Particularly in a location like this, to my left here, the sidewalk is quite narrow. It's only about 6 feet wide, so there's not room for 2 people to walk opposing each other and maintain the required 6-foot social distancing. So we have the ability now for someone to walk in the street in either direction and be able to circulate safely.